Prepare to have your assumptions about the animal kingdom completely shattered. It's a widely accepted notion that the untamed wilderness demands pointed, rigid ears, crucial sensory antennae designed for survival. And it's absolutely true, these stiff, upright structures are incredible marvels of evolution, perfectly optimized for directional hearing. Imagine dodging a predator's ambush or pinpointing elusive prey. Rigid ears make it possible. They even play a vital, often overlooked, role in hygiene, preventing bacterial nightmares and blockages deep within the ear canal. But what if one of nature's most magnificent wild giants completely defies this ironclad rule, not due to domestication, but for an astonishingly different, truly mind-bending reason? Indeed, the prevalent understanding is that floppy ears are predominantly found in domesticated animals, a peculiar and fascinating side effect of human intervention. This selective breeding for tameness, incredibly, is thought to inadvertently reduce stress hormone levels. This hormonal shift then inhibits the very cartilage-producing cells essential for ear rigidity. The direct result: ears lose their structural integrity, softening and drooping into the familiar, endearing folds we associate with our beloved dogs and other companion animals. It's a compelling explanation for the vast majority of cases, a testament to the subtle yet profound power of directed evolution. Yet, here's where the script gets utterly rewritten by nature itself, revealing a spectacular exception: elephants. These colossal, definitively wild creatures possess ears that are undeniably floppy. This fact alone challenges so much of what we just discussed. How can this be? Are they simply a biological anomaly, an evolutionary glitch? No, absolutely not. The truth is far more complex and utterly brilliant, challenging everything you thought you knew about ear function, and revealing a stunning example of nature's ingenuity. What we're witnessing in elephants is a masterclass in adaptation, turning a perceived disadvantage into an unparalleled strength. These astounding giants, despite their wild status, face no significant predatory threat due to their immense size, effectively negating a primary evolutionary driver for acute, directional hearing rigidity. So, if hearing isn't the asterisk primary reason for their ear structure, what are these magnificent, flexible ears for? Get ready for this revelation. Their large, floppy ears serve an absolutely vital dual function: auditory reception and a sophisticated, unique method of thermoregulation. Elephants, you see, generate an enormous amount of body heat, not just from their sheer mass, but also from inhabiting intensely hot climates where survival demands constant innovation. And here's the kicker: they crucially lack the ability to sweat and pant effectively, necessitating an entirely alternative cooling mechanism. And that mechanism? Their ears provide it, magnificently. These massive ears are not merely for show, or just for hearing distant calls. They are, quite literally, biological radiators. Think about that for a second. They contain numerous large blood vessels, creating an extensive network that allows for an incredibly efficient transfer of heat directly from the elephant's warm blood to the external environment, all through their surprisingly thin skin. And it gets even more fascinating: by actively flapping their ears, elephants create a powerful, natural breeze, dramatically increasing airflow over these blood-rich surfaces and accelerating heat dissipation. But wait, there's even more precision involved. They possess the remarkable, precise ability to asterisk-regulate this heat loss by constricting or dilating these ear blood vessels, fine-tuning their internal temperature with astonishing accuracy. This represents an evolutionary adaptation for cooling that is far from a universally common biological strategy. It's a mind-blowing departure from typical ear design, challenging our very definition of what an ear is for, and proving, without a doubt, that sometimes the rules of nature are just waiting to be dramatically redefined.